I'll guide you through how to check if someone is logged into your Facebook account without the problem of installing risky, fake apps that promise to do so. If you're looking to protect your Facebook privacy from unwanted attention, or you're worried about a hacker and so you want to check who has access to your account, this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, subscribe to 3 Minutes Fix channel and let's jump right in. First, let's cover how to check on a computer. Open Facebook in your web browser. Click your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy, then click Settings. On the next screen, look for the Account Center in the top left and click See More in Account Center. In the Account Center, go to Password and Security. Under the Security Check section, click on where you're logged in. You'll see a list of devices and locations. Look for any devices or sessions you don't recognize. If you find one, click the 3 dots next to it and select Log Out. To be safe, since it's all about checking who's spying on your Facebook account, it's a good idea to log out of all unknown sessions and then change your password immediately. This step is recommended since you can't seem to figure out the unknown login, meaning someone may have access to your Facebook account. Now, let's do the same thing on the Facebook mobile app. Open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner for iPhones or top right corner for Android. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. In the Settings menu, tap See More in Account Center. From there, go to Password and Security. Under Security Checks, tap where you're logged in. You'll see a list of devices and locations where you are logged in. Review this list for any suspicious login. If you see any devices you don't recognize, just tap on them and log out. As an extra step, you should also check for any linked apps and websites that might have unauthorized access to your data. From the main Settings menu on either your computer or mobile app, scroll down to the Your Activity section. Select Apps and Websites. You'll see a list of all the third-party services you've given access to your Facebook account. Review this list carefully and remove any that look suspicious, are no longer in use, or that you don't remember permitting. And there you have it, you have successfully checked who is spying on your Facebook. If you found this tutorial useful, please consider giving it a like. If you have any questions, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more Facebook video tutorials. Thanks for watching.